What if you could get that bouncy salon blowout look without juggling a round brush, a dryer, and 10 clips at once? Most of us spend way too long trying to style our hair with multiple tools only to end up with frizz, flat roots, or curls that fall flat by noon. It's exhausting, and honestly, it shouldn't be this complicated. That's why this one styling tool has been getting so much attention. It's not just a brush, and it's not just a curler, it's both. And it does something your regular blow dryer can't. The Wavytalk Blowout Boost is an iconic thermal brush that seals your hair cuticle with negative ions to reduce frizz and boost shine. Its tourmaline ceramic barrel heats evenly for smooth, voluminous curls or that soft blowout look. You can pick from 5 temperature settings depending on your hair type. And because it uses dual PTC heaters, it styles 50% faster. No clips, no combs, just brush, twist, and go. If you've been craving that effortless blowout without the salon price or time, try switching to a heated round brush like this one. Your hair will give bounce every morning.